layers. Okay, and each layer, what the information is available, which protocol is working, how the data encapsulation. Okay, so how is the build the packet, how is the build the frame, how is the build. Okay, segment, what is the segment, what is the packet, what is the frame. Okay, in the packet what is the information available, what is in the segment, what is the information available, in frame what is the information is available. Okay, so this we will discuss. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so now we are going to discuss about the connectors network. Network. So already we discussed what is the network. Shoaibur Rahman, are you available?
Yes, sir. I'm available, sir.
Okay. Yes, Shoaibur Rahman, because we are wait for 5 minutes because another people are need to join. So okay, so till that we discuss something. So what is mean by network? What is the network according to your thinking?
So network is a networks of networks, and by the help of network we can share the data within with the help of computers. And like
Okay,
the network is works on a protocol that is IP protocol, internet protocol.
what we can do, I'm not asking what is the network, that's it only. What is the network? With the help of network what we can do, so that time you can explain these all these things. What is the network only? Hello, some disturbance in your side or my side?
Oh, sorry, it's my side.
Yeah, so you are outside.
No. Yeah. So
Yes, what is the network? Network is a group of devices interconnection physically or logically,
yeah.
that is called network.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
It can be connect with wireless or through medium like cables or
whatever interconnection
interconnection.
physically or logically.
Yes.
Physically means cable via, or logically wireless, whatever. Okay, so that is a interconnection devices. With the help of network what you can do, you can share the resources, you share the information. Okay, you transfer the information. Okay, these are the things you can do. Okay, so internetworking, what is mean by internetwork?
Internet works or network.
Yes, internetwork.
Like after connect the network uh, with two different systems, we can share information one system to another system.
Yes, that is the same thing, network.
Okay.
This is, I'm asking internetwork. That is a network you are explaining. I'm asking the internetwork.
No idea, sir.
Internetwork. Mr. Amjad, do you have any idea internetwork?
No, sir. Internet
Internetwork.
is physically
Okay.
connected to the system. That is part of internet.
That is a network. Physically connection internet via cable. That is the network. Internetwork. Already we discussed.
Two different domain connection between two domain or something.
Two different network, not two domain, two different network. So communication between two different network, that is called inter-network. Already we discussed, okay. So different, because that is till now what we are learning, that is you are maintaining, you are manage, you are secure the one network, means one domain, server, client. So that is in your company, your organization, your branch office, multiple devices is available, okay. Server, client, router, firewall, okay, for load balancer devices, all these devices is available in your branch office, right? So this branch office want to communication with your customer network or your head office through the different state, different city, different country. So that network is different. So your network want to communication to another network. So this is called inter-network. Yesterday also we discussed intermediate. I give the example intermediate, internet. Got the point?
Yeah.
Internetworking, the communication between two different network. For example, you can easily understand. So
sir,
this
that's intranet, na sir? Intranet.
no.
Internet is different thing.
That's different.
This is 10.0.0.0.
Yeah.
This is the
Class
network.
A to class B, we can communicate with the router. It is different.
Yes, this is two different network. This network and this. You want to make a communication between these two network. This is called internetwork.
All right, sir.
Yes, whatever devices is help to make a communication between these. So that device is called internetworking device.
All right.
So in that, the first is come router, second is come L3 switch. What is the point?
Yes.
So till now what we are learning here, only maintain the only single network, right? In MCSE hardware, whatever, this net. And here this same like that another network. Now you want to make a communication between these two different networks. So that is called internetwork. So whatever operating system is available in this device, because device have the operating system, that operating system is called iOS, Internetwork Operating System. Clear, Shoaibur Rahman, Faraz?
Yes, sir.
What the idea? Yes,
sir. Got it.
So network, this is here also all devices is available, means like in your branch office router. So router is available, okay, switch is available, server is available, okay, firewall is available, load balancer is available, clients is available, all devices. So all device interconnection physically or logically, that is called network. Okay, here one network, same like that here between two different network communication, that is called internetwork. Clear? Network, internetwork. Okay, so this so providing the service. So different server is providing the service to the client. So he have the operating system, it have the operating system. That operating system is operating system providing the service. This operating system is providing the communication. Okay, so this operating system communication purpose internetwork operating system. This is the internetwork operating system. This is only operating system. Okay, server or client. Clear? Now, how we can communicate, how we can receive the data? So first thing is come to the picture, that is the ports. For example, so we have different types of connector and ports. One is called first famous, whatever you are thinking. So how many so communication connectors, networks, can you describe the Shoaib Rahman, can you describe network connectors?
Network connector.
Yes.
RJ45.
RJ45.
Yeah.
So RJ45.
LAN
Okay.
cable.
Tell me something about the RJ45 connector.
RJ45 is a LAN cable network.
Okay.
Which we can use normally in the office.
Okay.
I have idea about only RJ45.
Okay. Faraz?
No idea, sir. No idea.
RJ45 connector. See, this is the RJ45 connector which we are connected to the. If you are maybe if you are visit to the Al Khair complex, so we are seeing okay RJ45 connector, okay, and we are seeing RJ45 port in the system, and we are seeing how to crimp all these things. Okay, so what is the RJ45? RJ45 connector. With the help of RJ45 connector, we can make a communication. Which type of communication?
Shares data between computers.
No, this is communication purpose. This RJ45 connector, for example, this is the RJ45 connector. So this is for communication purpose. Right, RJ45 communication. So which type of the communication? So local area network. Local area network communication purpose we are using. Okay, got the point? Local area connection. Suppose if you connect to the router, so main cable is come to the router, means from the beam cable, or is connect to the, so that the beam cable people are configured to your network as a local. So once your traffic is reached to the beam office, so that is convert to the public network.
Yeah.
That is the public network is convert. So till that time you are all building all branches, so that is come under the local. So local communication purpose you're using. Okay, so why I'm going to tell you, because we are going to discuss about the router after next class. So router is provide the network, router is provide the route to the your hello.
Yes.
Some disturbance. Yes. Okay, so router is provide the communication to different types of network, different type. So what it will do, the router it provide the route to your destination, is route to your destination. So router will see the layer 3 device, because he see the understand the layer 3 protocol. So is check the what is the source ports address, IP address, destination IP address, this source address belong to which network, this destination IP address belong to which network, so where is connected to me. Okay, so that is the reason router will forward and show the path to your destination network. Already I give the example. Router is like a, to understanding purpose, like a circle, road circle. So for example, one circle is available, so you can find the 4 waves in the circle. Okay, straight, behind, left and right. So each and every route is connected connected to the circle, and the circle connect to the different area means is forward to you different area. Okay, so left side if you go to some place, right side you go to the some area, straight you will go to the some different area, and you come back to different area. So okay, so different area is connected to circle. Okay, how? Via road, you can say the route. With the help of route, every area is connected to the circle. So circle, what it will do, the circle is check, so you are coming from where and where you want to go, so it will forward you, and it will create the path to your destination. Okay, so that is so that time the any network is coming, so this network is coming from which network, each and everything information router needed. So that is the reason. So router have different ports. Why? Because you can connect to different network, different types of network you can connect. Okay, so how many types of the network? So when we go into to discuss about this one, so maximum normally people say the 3 types of the network. Okay, so local area network, okay, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. 3 networks. Okay, 3 types of the network. Local area network. What is the local area network? So local area network, so locally within a campus, within a building, within a campus, you can communication, means source and destination. For example, we have the persons, okay, Muzammil, Riaz, Faraz, Sheikh Hussein, Muhammad, Amjad. For example, Amjad is belong to some other country. Sheikh Hussein belong to some other state, right? Mr. Faraz is belong to the Hyderabad, right? So in that, which person is a local person? Anybody can say? Faraz belong to Hyderabad, Sheikh Hussein belong to different state, and Muhammad Amjad belong to different country. So
Faraz,
in
sir.
this, yes, Faraz is a local guy, right? Local person, right? Why?
Yeah.
Why he's local
Because
person?
he stays in Hyderabad, sir. That he
That
become
purpose?
local.
That purpose?
We
Only
use
that,
the
that
land,
is the
sir.
reason? That is the reason only?
Yes, sir. He is near now, sir. Near in
So
Hyderabad
because
only.
he's near, because you stay now in Hyderabad, so Faraz also stay in Hyderabad, so because he's near, so that is the reason is local
Yes,
person,
local.
right?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, but Amjad also is coming from different country, right? He's sitting beside me, so why I can't call to him local person? The reason I will tell you, because Faraz source and destination in same place.
Yeah.
Faraz source
Source
and
and
destination.
destination.
For example, Faraz is his house in Hyderabad. He will live in Hyderabad. He stays, sleep, whatever he is do the same in house. Okay, and he going to
Like
be
born and
office.
live,
He's
sir.
going to be office. He's going to be college. He's going to be some any place, right? So that is the same place, right? So college in the same place. Okay, so office is the same place. Okay, very so same place. So his house and destination where we'll go and come back. Okay, so same place, source and destination you belong to the same place, so that is the reason I'm called to Faraz a local person. But Sheikh Hussein is not a local, so what I call non-local.
Non-local. Sir, like
non
born and living in city, sir.
non-local, because he's not belong to the city, because his house is, because his family stay in different state, not in Hyderabad, Telangana, some other state, right? Because
Example, sir.
source and destination little bit long as than Faraz, right? But Mr. Amjad totally different countries, belong to different countries, so he's called foreigner. Okay, got the point, foreigner.
Yes,
So
sir.
because source and destination long distance, very long, Sheikh Hussein little bit far away from the according to Faraz, right? Got the point. So here metropolitan person, and here wide area person. Okay, so your communication means system and destination server, your communication within a company, so that is local area network, right? So your communication different city, from Hyderabad to Secunderabad to Gachibowli, Telangana to Andhra Pradesh, and so these are the metropolitan area network communication. And you are going to communication with different means source and destination different country, so that is come under the WAN, wide area network across the globe. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
LAN, WAN, MAN.
Man. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
what the
like
point?
born in state and living in another country, like yours, sir.
Yes. Okay,
Example.
clear?
Yes, sir. I got it all.
So now LAN,
Local area network.
MAN,
Man.
and WAN.
Wide area network.
Right? Understand what is the difference between Mr. Shoaibur Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So based on the your source and destination, we can categorize. Okay, right. Now the problem is come. Okay, local area network. So how I can make a communication? How I can interact? So what I need to use physically? So physically purpose, we have the cables, right? Cat 5, Cat 6 already you are seen in the, you are complete in the hardware and MC. So Cat 5, Cat 6. Okay, so this is the and RJ45, like as Shoaibur Rahman said, RJ45 connector. Okay, so that is a physical connector. Okay, so physical connector you can see. Okay, so RJ45 jack, RJ45 connector. So this connector, with the help of this connector, you can use, you can make a communication, you can establish the communication, you can establish the network. That is the LAN, local area network. Local area network. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
For example,
Yes, sir.
RJ45. So which purpose?
LAN.
For connecting locally.
Local
Local area network.
area
Yes, sir.
network.
Local area network.
Local area network purpose. Okay. Now thing is, local area, what is the speed it will give to me? Before that, which technology? So here, what is the speed? What is the speed it will give? So it will give me 100 megabit per second, 100 Mbps. Megabits per second. Okay. Anybody can say what is the difference between bit and byte?
Bit means single, sir. Byte means considering bit is byte. Like 4
8
bit
byte
is
is
2 byte.
1 byte is equal to 8 bit.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry. 8 bit.
Oh.
8 byte equal.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Yes. So what, for example, if you have 200 MB, so what I can say, speed, your speed is 200. So what I can say, megabit per second, megabyte per second.
Megabytes per second.
Megabyte, yes, megabyte per
Yes,
second,
sir.
right?
Second. Like the internet connectivity, he will tell us speed 256 kbps, mbps, like that. Megabytes per second.
So now it's 200, so megabytes per second, right?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Shoaibur Rahman, are you agree?
Sorry, sir.
Suppose I have 200 speed, right?
Okay.
So I want to say to you, so how I can say I have 200 megabit per second speed, or I can say 200 megabyte per second.
Megabytes per second, sir.
Megabyte per second, right?
Yes.
Correct. Okay.
Thank
Any other guys?
Byte,
See,
byte.
yes, wrong. Speed always calculate bit per second. Whatever speed you have, so you have to say bit per second, 200 megabit per second, not byte. 200, 300, 1000 megabit per second, 2000 megabit per second, 1 lakh megabit per second. That is speed calculate always been. If you're talking about the data, so that is come under the byte. 200 megabytes, 300 megabytes, 100 megabytes. Okay, that is a differentiate. Where we use always bit, where we use always byte. Okay, so 100 megabit per second, 200 megabit per second, 300 megabit per second, 1000 megabit per second, not megabyte per second. Okay, speed is always calculated bit per second. Clear?
Yes, yes.
So that is 100 megabit per second, the speed. Okay, what is this? Speed. Maximum. Okay, minimum, whatever you can say. Maximum is support to 100 megabit per second, RJ45 connect. Clear? So in that, nowadays, because for 3 years, 4 years, 1 giga is also come. 1 gigabit per second also is come 100 to 1 giga. But more than 1 giga is doesn't support. Okay, got the point? Otherwise, you have to take another port, you shift it to another port, and you have to use the connector. Okay, clear? So that is the speed. Clear? How many physically how it look? So it have 8 pin connector. Okay, local area
So,
net.
sir,
Yes.
in this RJ45, RJ45, when we are connecting to the local area, so we need to connect for 100 megabit per second, means we need to connect 8 pins, or we can customize the pins.
I'm sorry, we can connect to?
No, we need to, if we need 100 megabit per second, means we need to connect all 8 pins, or we can customize the pins and we can get this speed.
No, we can't customize because it's a physical thing.
Okay, so in to get the 100 megabit bits per second means we need to connect all 8 pins in a cable, right?
Yes, if you are talking about the wires customize, you can customize the wire, right? But pins you can't customize because 8 pins is available in the jack. So you want
No,
to customize the wires, you can customize the wire. So you, instead of 8 wires, you can fix 4 wires, you can fix 2 wires. Okay, or you can either you can fix all 8 wires. But normally
so
4 wires is compulsory 4 wires.
No, which is the best practice? 4 wires or for 2 pairs or 4 pairs? Which is the best practice?
If you are practice, so that time you can use the 8 bits. But if corporate level you are established in the corporate, so that is 4 wires is enough.
4 wires enough. So in corporate level, we should the best practice is to connect 4 into 2.
4 wires. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much for this.
Clear? So 8 pin speed 100 Mbps, 8 pin, that's you need to connect. This is the speed. Okay, so how it's look like already you know. So this is the connector, RJ45 and jack. Right, so this is the jack. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so this is the clear. Why I'm going to show? Because Cisco router 20.
Sir,
Yes.
with WAN we can connect to other countries, sir.
WAN?
With WAN we can connect to other countries, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
WAN is a network. Okay, we call the network, but how it will be connected, what the port we can use, so that is a different thing. See here. So here all ports is a RJ45, right? Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
HP router. This is the here RJ45. See here, it's telling the one link LAN is written the LAN. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir. LAN.
Yes, LAN. And downside is written the gigabit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear? So this, now this is the router. See here is written. So RJ45, okay, RJ45 is port, RJ45 port. Are you able to see, guys?
Yes, sir.
So RJ45 port, and you know the shape. See here, this is the RJ45 port, right? LAN. So this is connected to the local area network. Okay, local area network, because in the Al Khair complex we have the router, one single router physical. So inshallah, if you come tomorrow, so you can see the physically, okay, router. So what are the port? Clear? So that is the LAN, and the speed is connect to the router. How it will be connect? How it will be connect? See here, this is my router. And here is a RJ45 connector. So now this router is connect to switch. So this is the RJ45, and switch also have the same RJ45 connectors. So it's connect directly. And here all system is connected. Okay. So from here to this is completely my LAN. This is called LAN. Okay. So this is LAN. So this router have the port, so I can connect. So I make a LAN, local area network. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear? What is the LAN? Which port we are using? What is the speed? Okay. What is the physical things, right? Now come to the wire. So which wire I want to use this one and this one wire. So here I'm using the straight cable. I can use the straight cable. Straight cable already, you know, 2-3 times you are done the practice also in Al Khair complex also. Right, guys? Straight cable, cross cable.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So
For
which
same
cable we are
device,
using?
Cross cable,
For
sir.
same device?
We are using cross cable.
No, yeah, straight cable. Same device we can use a cross cable. Different
Yes,
device.
but we used cross cable now, sir.
No. When will you use this cross cable? Same
Cross
device.
cable, different devices, sir.
Same device.
Yes.
Here router and switch are the same device.
Cross cable to same PC, sir.
2 PCs. So same device, right?
Yes, sir. Same PC.
Same PC,
Same
same devices.
different, sir, like
Either
router.
router, either two switches, either two system, whatever, two systems,
Yes,
same
sir.
devices. So I need to
Same
use
device.
cross cable. But here different devices I need to use. But I can
Straight cable.
connect. It connect. So when I will use cross cable, for example, I have my system or laptop. So directly I want to connect to this system or my laptop. So that time I can use the cross cable. Exception. That is the exception.
Yes, sir.
Directly I connect to the means from if I connect to the server, or directly this link is connected to my laptop. So that time I can use the cross cable. Or if I'm management purpose, router management purpose I'm using, so that time I can use we will discuss that. So that time I will use the rollover cable, or you can say console cable. Okay, what I mean, that is the different scenario. This is different thing. Clear? So I'm talking about the LAN. So here cable, Cat5 cable, Cat6 cable, whatever, right? You can use. And we are making communication, LAN communication, local area network communication, right? So speed you will get 100 Mbps, right? Port type RJ45, okay. And how many pins? 8 pin it's have. Clear? Mr. Shaibur Rahman. Mr. Shaibur Rahman. Oh, I think he's left.
Yeah.
Yes, he's left. Okay, no issue. So, because I am asking to Mr. Shaibur Rahman, please tell me about the RJ45 connector, right?
Yes.
Yes. So Shaibur Rahman said the one word. Okay. So this is the physical things we can communicate to the one system to another system, right? That's it. Now I'm asking to Amjad. Now Amjad, tell me about the RJ45 connector.
RJ45 connector is a physical device, right? It's a only connector to connect to devices.
Yes. And
it helps us to transfer the data from one end to another end if we connect the two devices.
And with the help of the we can configure the LAN.
Yes.
LAN communication, and speed is this much. Okay, speed this much, and physical this thing, this means many pins. Okay, got the point? So we can communication to the same devices, or you can connect to the different devices. Yes, tell me that.
So here previously I asked the questions 2 megabit per second on a 4-wire or 8-wire. So it depends the data speed or the data transfer. Which is the faster, 4 wires or 8 wires? Sir, which combination, 4 wire or 8 wire, which is the faster mode of data transfer?
So I get the some steps. So can you repeat your question?
Yeah. Which mode or which combination is the best and faster way to transfer the data? 4 wires or 8 wires?
So already we discussed about this one. I show in the center before during the MCC class. So which 4 ones. I show the coding also, which coding we have to use if you are using the four wires, if you are using the 8 wires. So what is the coding? So which one you have to use? The four wires we can use. So normally 1 2 3 3 2 4. Okay, sorry, 1 2 3 3 2 1 and 2 2 6 6 2 6. That the combination 4 wires compulsory. Okay. So you can use only 4 words. And what there is no
That's
meaning
what
of
I
the
missed
color.
out due to some.
There is there is no color combination. Color combination for understanding purpose. So technology is 1 to 3, 3 to 1, 2 to 6, 6 to 2. That's it.
Okay.
And that's the thing. Clear?
Okay.
Yes. So that
So
is the
data transfer can be made on any of the combination, but the pin should be the same.
yes. For example, one side you are using the orange. First pin is the orange. So second side, if you cross cable, if you are using second side, it should be in third place, 1 to 3. Same color. So that understanding purpose color is coding is there. So which wire you are, if you same color, so you get the confused, right? So for understanding purpose in one place to which you are using, which color you are using. So third place also you have to use same color. So that is the understanding purpose. Yeah. If you understanding, if you know the wire which one is connected, no need the color. So just keep in remember. So whatever first place in straight cable, same wire it come to the first place, second place, third place. So like that you can use. For example, straight cable. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same like that. Second end also you have to use same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Same color. If you are using the orange, so here also second end also orange, blue, white of orange, white of green, green, blue, white of brown, or brown, white of brown. Same straight cable. But in cross cable, if you are using, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is comes to here 1 to 3, 2 to 6, 3 to 1. This is remain 4. This is remain 5, and this is 2. This is remain. Here. So how many difference? 1, 2, 3, and 6. So these only 4 wires is using. Yes. Rest of the 4 wires is waste. Okay. So 4 wires, in that only 2 wires is using the one is wire is receiving, one is sending the data, receiving and sender. Rest of the 2 wires is for backup.
Okay.
Clear?
So
But
it means whatever
in rollover cable, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here totally roll over, completely over. 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So where it use rollover cable?
I will tell you. I will still not explain. I will tell you. Okay. So just method, three cable method. So how to, so straight cable already you know, same device or different device? Different device. So if you are using the different device communication, so you can use that. But same device, cross cable. But in this scenario, see here, if you are using directly, I told you, directly you're communicating the server or laptop. So that time you can use the rollover cable. Directly connected the router to directly you connect to the server or your laptop. So console cable or rollover cable, you can use it. But if you are going to connect to the RJ45 port, clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So RJ45 is not a rollover cable, right? Or can we make it to rollover cable?
Yes, we can make it. Simple way.
Okay.
Simple way. Orange, for example, orange, white of orange, green, white of green, blue, white of blue, brown, white of brown. So here, white of brown, brown, white of brown, same like that reverse. Whatever you are using here, whatever eight place, here it should become one place. Second end.
Okay.
Like that you can use. Clear?
How to identify the pin number 1 in RJ45 connector?
That is the reason color code is there. Color coding.
No, we are color coding is our cable side, but in RJ45 connector, if we get the connector on hand, physical connector, then without taking any cable in our hand, which is the first pin? Which is the first pin in the
lock
connector?
The connector lock side come downside at side.
Okay.
At side the lock, and take this from left side, that is the first pin, left side.
Okay.
Clear?
So so means the lock which is there in the RJ45 connector, always it should face the earth, and from there you need to count it from the left side.
Yes, left side, first pin.
If it is facing to the sky, then you should count it from the right side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So that is the LAN. Yes. So that is the LAN. Now, so router have more connectors. See here. Are you able to see? This is the earlier means old, very old, okay, router. So I'm not going to start the router. I'm discussing about the ports, okay, communication ports. Okay. So here, and this one, AUI port. Attachment user interface. This port is these port have the old routers, means for 25 series, 2510 series. Okay, so this port also is used for the LAN communication purpose. Earlier LAN communication, so it's have the 15 pin 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 pin. So how we can connect? So here we need to use the transceiver. See here how it be transceiver. Port.
Sir, for MAN and WAN, same connector, sir, RJ45 or different connector? RJ45, same connector for MAN and WAN, sir?
RJ45, no.
Yeah.
LAN, only LAN.
Only for LAN, sir.
LAN communication.
Okay.
I'm talking about the router LAN. Okay, RJ45 port.
Okay.
Router have the RJ45 port, which purpose? LAN communication purpose. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Router.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
No. Where's? See here. This is the transceiver. $15 pin here, and here side RJ45 port here. One side 15 pin already. This side, which one is connected? This one connected, and second side, behind side, that is RJ45 connector. So here 15 pin. So I connect to transceiver here, and here RJ45 connector. So this cable is connected to the RJ45 connector, and this connect to the switch. Clear? Understand? So transceiver, translator you can use. Same like that, you are using the USB connector, or what ports you are using, USB converter. Okay. So same like that, you have a UI converter transceiver. So it's convert here. So you connect to this transceiver to here, and from behind RJ45 port is there. The connector have, the receiver have the RJ45 connector. So from that port you can connect to the switch. Okay, so that is this is used for the LAN, local area connection. Okay, got the point? The speed is, now this pin, this connector is physically is 15 pin. That pin, that RJ45 physically is 8 pin. This is the 15 pin. Okay, got the point? And this speed is 10 Mbps. This port is speed only 10 Mbps. 10 Mbps. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is rotor, na sir?
Yes, this is the router.
Okay.
Cisco 25 series router. Okay.
Yeah, okay,
Clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Got the point? So this is the AUI port. So this is come to the connect to the which purpose? Which purpose? For LAN communication purpose. What is the speed? 10 Mbps. 10 Mbps, right? So
Yes,
that
sir.
is AUI port. Okay, for which purpose? Local area network purpose. Okay. And the speed is 10 Mbps.
10 MB.
Okay. And how many pins? 15 pin.
15.
Sir, AUI full form, sir?
Attachment user interface.
Hashman.
Yes. Okay. So this is the connector you can use here and connect to the LAN. Speed is, so which cable you can use? Same like that, because is RJ45 connector, this transceiver have the RJ45, so you can use a straight cable. Clear? And you can configure the LAN, same LAN. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sir,
Right?
hello.
Yes,
hello.
yes.
If we use RJ45, then we can't exit the speed of 100 Mbps. Yes, sir. Even
Yes.
if you change the wire type, if you use RJ45, then you can't exceed the speed of 100 Mbps.
Yes.
In
Nowadays is technology is come, so you can
Yes,
increase
fiber.
till 1 giga. No, 1 giga in RJ45. In RJ45 it support 1 giga, but more than 1 giga is not support.
How it is
Because
happens?
technology, they are made like that. Technology and increase the technology speed. Okay.
No, with the help of some devices, no, sir.
No, because it's come, because when you see the router, new routers, I will show you latest router. So that time it will show the 2 port. It will provide the 2 ports. One port is a RJ45, for example, 100 Mbps. One port is written 1 gigabit port. Both are, if physically you have seen, both are same.
Yes.
But technology is same, because it support 100 Mbps and it support 1 gig support. What the point? So
Here also use RJ45 in 1 gigahertz.
Yes, but if if you're talking about the normal, so normal is 100 Mbps is only, you can't increase.
Yes.
But you want to decrease, you can decrease. In the real time, we can decrease the bandwidth. Okay. So you enter the interface port, enter the interface inside the port, and you can configure the bandwidth. You can assign the bandwidth particular, how much the bandwidth you want to assign. Got the point?
Okay. Yes.
Clear? right?
Right. Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is the AUI port. Okay. So LAN port and AUI port for the job is same, right? Local area connection, establish the local area, but the speed is different. The physical pin is different, and you are using here transceiver. We are not using the transceiver here. Clear? Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Now, these ports, serial and serial, this port.
Serial 0, serial 1.
So these port have two types. One people said normal serial. Second is smart. The difference is normal have 60 pin. And this is have 26 pin. Clear?
Hello, Salim sir.
Hello, Walaikum Salam.
Sorry for interrupting. Actually, we have 5 minutes.
Oh, okay, sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't see that time. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, sir. Give me 1 minute only. I'll continue. Thank you. So normal serial 60 pin and smart 60 pin. Okay. So because we need to discuss more thing about this, and this is the main important ports in the router. Okay. So I will stop here. Continue the class if you have come tomorrow. So tomorrow we have class on where we have the physical. You should be attend the physically Al Khair complex. Inshallah, tomorrow we have the IP addressing class complete. So beginning to end. Okay. So what we are discussing about the IP address means from history, little bit history of the IP address, TCP/IP protocol. Okay. And then IP, why we are using the IP address, why we call addressing system. Okay. And then how the classification and how the classification of classes. Okay. What is the range, how it will become range, and how many network portion, and how they make a network portion and host portion, how many networks is available, how many hosts available, how it will become a network. And after that subnetting, so how we need to do subnetting, why we need to do the subnetting. Okay, in the corporate level, so which type of network means network we are using, means what default network we are using or subnetting network we are using. Okay, after the supernetting, okay, VLSM, that is FSLM and VLSM. What is the different FLSM and VLSM? Okay, and then last summarization, how we can do the summarization, why we need to do the summarization. All these things we are discussing inshallah tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow is an important class for IP address. Those people want to know the IP addressing exactly and what is the happen in the, if have the time, so I will complete IP version 6 also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so inshallah don't miss the class tomorrow. So obviously they will update that at what time. So inshallah we'll continue tomorrow and we will continue this one. So inshallah next class. Okay, so till that time, take care and have a nice day. Thank you so much. Mr. Faraz. Hello, Mr. Faraz.
Yes, sir.
So today little bit my voice is clear or?
Of course,
Yes, sir,
most
clear,
of the crystal clear, बहुत clear आ रही थी sir.
Mashallah,
Oh,
sir. Yes, sir.
thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir,
I think you are
tomorrow
praying.
class
You are
will
praying in the
online
Juma.
also?
No. Physically, inshallah.
You-
Al Khair and Al Khair
Physically and
complex.
also connected to the online, sir. Just
Yes,
like
online
to
also. Online also. They will
Okay,
provide.
okay.
They will provide online. Okay. Don't worry
Okay.
about that. Inshallah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, right. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum, guys.
Walaikum assalam.